Welcome to the Whole Food Plant-Based Cooking Show. Today we're going to make vegetable lo mein.
Whole food plant-based, it's the best thing for our taste. So pull up a chair and grab a plate, 'cause it's the all-free whole food plant-based cooking show.
All right, we're going to get right into it. What I have here are 3 small zucchinis that have been spiralized, and I have 2 carrots that have been julienned, I guess, just thinly sliced, a bunch of green onions, one red pepper and 1 green pepper, a 1-inch chunk of ginger, 1 cup of low sodium vegetable broth, and 1 box of tofu that I've cut up into teeny cubes and baked it at 400 degrees for 20 minutes. And that's just to dry it out. So I already have my pan ready here. I've got a couple tablespoons of water going. And we're just gonna lightly saute our vegetables first. Well, our main vegetables first, along with the ginger. We're going to saute that for about 5 minutes, and then we'll put the rest of the ingredients together. Okay, so now we're going to add our zucchini noodles, or as some people like to call them, zoodles, I guess. And you can spiralize these yourself, or you can get them, sometimes Whole Foods has containers of them already made. So I'm going to add my tofu squares in there. And very important to put some parchment paper down on your cookie sheet when you bake your tofu so they come right off. You don't even have to wash your cookie sheet. That is my great tip. Okay, and then we're gonna add our low sodium vegetable broth. And that's really gonna get it all cooking. So we're gonna let this cook for, about 10 minutes on high. You don't want to cook it too far because it'll just turn into a big pile of mush. But if you cook it just right, the noodles will stay noodles. So that's what we're looking for. So 10 minutes. Okay, this has been cooking about 10 minutes. And if you can see, the noodles they're still intact. Everything's still a really nice bright color. So we're going to make a little hollow in the center. And I'm going to use some Bragg's liquid amino acids to give it a little bit of saltiness. And I'm going to put a tablespoon in a little measuring cup, because I'm going to add a little bit of cornstarch to it just to thicken up the sauce a little bit. So I'm going to add about, it's probably about almost a tablespoon. Mix it up a little. And you want to do this, you want to mix it up with a liquid, the cornstarch, and then pour it into your well. And that's what's going to keep from it getting clumps in it. You get these little, starchy clumps. It won't mix in well. So you have to mix it in with a liquid. Okay, and we're just going to stir that into that. And then stir it into the noodles. And this one, my family absolutely loves lo mein, especially when we go out. But there's so much salt and so much oil. So this is a great way to substitute for that great flavor without all of the extra calories with the oil or the sodium. So now I've got some toasted sesame seeds, and I'm just going to sprinkle them in there. Probably, it depends on you. I love the flavors, so I'm going to do a healthy, probably about a couple tablespoons. Okay, turn this off, and it's time to taste. Yay! Look at that. My family's going to be so happy. This is going to be their dinner. carrot in there. Mmm. Mmm. Light, delicious. Mmm. So, another one you're just gonna love. So if you're enjoying these recipes, be sure to like and comment below and subscribe so you can get my next greatest recipes. And I'll see you next time.